Hey guys, welcome back to the not study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you update your iPhone to latest iOS 18 and you may face a problem that you may face overheating issue or problem after updating to iOS 18. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So let's check guys, if you are facing overheating problem, you may just open settings and guys you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here is the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update, and here you may see that here is the option of beta updates, so you may turn these off, and then guys you may update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. Then guys you may go back and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of iPhone storage, so you may click here and you may uninstall or delete that apps which you are not using. After this you may scroll it down, and here is the option of background app refresh, so you may click here and you may turn this off from here. Then you may click here on date and time and click on set, automatically turn this on. After this guys, here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Then guys you may go back again and you may scroll it down. Here is the option of screen time, so you may click here and you may turn this off. After this you may click here on your privacy and security, and here is the option of location services, so you may turn off location services, and then you may click here on tracking and you may turn this off from here also. Then guys you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys first of all you may create the backup of your iPhone, and then guys you may click here on general. You may scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here and click on erase all content and settings, and you may just reset your iPhone, and then guys you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.